how you can start a Google Meet meeting to teach children online, right? So I'm using screen recorder to explain this Google Meet meeting. Okay, so you can see this is my screen. Now I will select Google Meet. Now there are many applications, so I will go to my Google Meet. It is here on the top. You can see this is the Google Meet. Okay, now just touch this once and you will see this. I will turn this horizontally, so you can see this is the interface of Google Meet. Now here on screen you will see only two things, right? One thing is camera off. If camera is off, then you will see the icon of your email setting or the first letter of your email. You can turn off your mic from here. In just a second I will show you. Microphone off, video on, video off. Okay, so now if you want to start a new meeting, you click on the new meeting. Click on the new meeting here. It will take a while and you will see now you have started your meeting. And if you want to invite somebody else, okay, then you just click on the share button here. In very beginning you will get this box that you touch on the share. Now it will open different apps where you can use share button. I will just share somebody here. Done, and that's all, gone. So this is the meeting URL, right? I send it. Now back to the Google Meet. Now close from here. Now you will see that I am here presenting. My name is School Sharma. Okay, so now if you want to get some button, then you just touch on the screen. You will get different buttons, right? Now here the first button is here. You will see microphone and this. Okay, so when you touch on the microphone button, you will see that speaker, wired headphone. If you want to mute, then audio off and cancel. Okay, so my selected option is wired headphone, which I am using here. Okay, if you want to stop sending your voice, then you click on the audio off. Okay, I am clicking cancel here. Then after caption, there is one thing, CC button. Second option button is CC. So when you touch this, you will see captions are being turned on. Now you can see that what I am going to speak is automatically type on the screen, right? Okay, so whatever you are teaching, if anybody is unable to hear you properly, not properly, then you can use the caption button. So whatever you are speaking, that will be automatically typed, right? Again I touch on the screen and caption off. Here caption on, caption off. Now the third icon on the top is, now you can see the picture of some people here. So I will again open this. Here you will see the name of all the participants. Here just now I'm alone, so it is one here, but you will see the name of different participants here in the right side white color box. I'm presenting here, right? Now when you open list of participants, you can take attendance from here by taking the name. If some participant or a student will is not writing the name, then you will see his number or his father name or the name of the person the sim belong to, right? So you can take attendance from here. So first thing, as you start your meeting and participant joins, actually he will ask you to join. When he will click ask you to join, now you will see a notification here that admit. Okay, then only he will use to watch everything whatever you are sharing. Okay, now second option here in this is chatting message. So send a message on the bottom. You just type a message or a question, whatever you want to type. Okay, right? So student can interact here with you by chatting option. Now third is I. Here is I. If after that if you want to send the link, then again you will get share. Okay, so this is the meeting ID JZI-CUZY-XSM. Okay, now here there are the different options. Okay, I will show you where. The three dot icon on the right top corner. Now you will see switch camera. If you want to show front camera, okay, then also you can turn it here. Now turn off captions. I have shown you here. Present screen is important. So very few options are there. Okay. Now I'm clicking on the present screen. So click on the present screen. It will ask you start presenting. Okay. Click on the start present. Now start now. Now whatever is on my screen at the place of camera, you are watching my screen. Okay. So I will just press center button. Now you will see my screen. I will open few app. Suppose I want to explain about the different software like YT Studio, TubeBuddy, okay, WordPress, video compressor, tutorials, and different applications are there. Okay, so here you can see the KineMaster. Now this is I am teaching here. So I will open KineMaster, and whatever I will do, that will be seen by all the participants. Okay, now let me stop this. Now if suppose you want to teach using some PDF file or PowerPoint file, then what you do, you open file manager. Here is the file manager here, and select for any PDF. So I will just select the documents. If there is documents, now see this is the Hindi Rajasthan Adhyayan part 4 for preparation of some competitive exam. So whether it is English or Hindi, you open the PDF. Now you can zoom it. Now you explain to your children. So children are watching this PDF, the text which display on the screen, and they are listening to you. भौगोलिक प्रदेश से तात्पर्य उन विशिष्ट क्षेत्रों से है जिनका निर्धारण भौगोलिक तत्वों के आधार पर किया जाता है। तो देखो बच्चों, ये वो एरिया या प्रदेश होते हैं जिनमें उच्चावय, जलवायु, प्राकृतिक, वनस्पति एंड मृदा मतलब मिट्टी में पर्याप्त एक रूपता होती है। तो इस तरह से आप उनको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। आप स्क्रॉल करते जाएं और मैटर वहाँ पे दिखेगा और आप उनको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, राइट। सेम लाइक दिस, if you have a beautiful presentation, then again I am just opening the document. I will search for the PowerPoint file here. There are the different files which you want to see. Fundamental of computer, PDF, these are the PDFs. Okay, even if you have a Microsoft Word file, then you can open, because actually start presenting means whatever is displayed on your screen is watched by all the students, right? Here Django W, there is a PPT file. So the preparation you have to do is, if you want online material, then you need to save in your mobile, whether it is a PowerPoint or, okay, this is my PowerPoint file. Now you make it full screen. Okay, you know, this is the full screen button. Now touch. Now I am teaching. Okay, this is the PowerPoint from some person. This is the second slide, what is design on this and that. Okay, so you just slide your finger and show to your students. So this is how you can teach using Google Meet. If you have any queries, I will be back to the Google Meeting. Just you click on the back button. Okay, center button to show minimize everything. Now left button to back to the your Google Meet. Here if you want to show your picture, then you just click on the camera open. Okay, so you will see this is for presenter, right? Actually I off my camera, I don't want to show. So thank you very much. Now to end meeting, just touch on the screen and you will see 3 buttons: camera on, camera off. Here is the mic on, mic off, and the center button is for end meeting. So I will touch end meeting here. That's all for today. Thank you. For any queries, you can call me anytime.